Yes, welcome to the product attachment for WooCommerce plugin. So in this video, I will show you how to add the product attachments using the bulk attachment and individual product. So yes, once activate the plugin, you first need to go in the global settings. So in this global setting, you need to add the titles, default titles of the product tab, attachment tab, like you want to select the display or user roles. Here are the order attachment setting, like you want to display on the order listing page, you want to display attachments on order email, the order status that you want to display, and here are the different tab titles that you can add based on your business need. And here are the my account setting, in which you can select you want to display attachment in my account or thank you page or download tab or not. And here is the attachment setting, in that you can select like you want to display the expiry date. For the attachment, you also upload the icon or default button, like you want to display specific icon from here, and by default you can select the button. And there are also many options available over here, like global setting, you want to display by default size of the attachment or not, and so on. And if you want to customize the button design based on your theme, you can also add the custom CSS over here. So these are the general settings that you can configure based on your need. And let's move on to bulk attachment. So in the bulk attachment, there are two ways. You can upload by the CSV format. In the CSV, you require the SKU and attachment link. Then it will automatically import all the attachments using this functionality. And the second one is you can import by the bulk attachment action, like you can add new attachments, multiple attachments, and just add the settings like a title, options. Here you can add the description, and here you can upload the external URL like PDF URL, doc URL, or directly upload from here from the media. And here are other settings, like you want to display on new tab or not. Here are the settings to enable this attachment for all product or specific product or category. So here you can select the specific products, categories, tag, attributes, whatever you have. And then after you display the visibility, like you want to focus this attachment on order detail page or product detail page, or you can also select the bot. And yes, these are the settings that you can configure. So let's see how it will be work. Like you can see this is the wireless product assignment, and another one is you can see for all products. So let's go on the shop page and we can see how it will work. So here are the product detail page, and here let's open this product in which I have assigned the attachment. So once you assign any attachment, you can see the additional tab like attachment, and once you click here, you can see the product guide and package information over here as a download. And once you click on the icon, you able to download this specific attachment in this detail page. And if you want to add any additional attachment to individual, then you just need to click on edit, and here at the last you can see the attachment list, like this is the attachment you can add like here, and you can also click add new to multiple, and here you just add the same information like name, description, upload. And here is the option, like you want to display on product page. If you select yes, only then is visible. So let's update and see how it will look like. Update, let's view. So now you're able to see there are 3 attachments. As you can see, this is the new one, version details. So let's proceed to checkout and see how attachment will be displayed in different pages, like add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout, and place an order. So after place an order, you can see here is the title of the attachment section, and here are all the attachment is visible to the customer once place an order. And also able to see in my account orders, and here you can see the order. And if you see the attachment and click view, then you are able to see the same information over here as well. So let's see now admin area how it will be. Admin can see this all information. So let's go in the orders. So we can see the latest order is placed, and if you click edit, you able to see the status and all the attachment information in admin side. Like as you can see, all information is available over here. And user also or admin also processing or complete the status and update. And once update the status, then all these attachment is sent in the email as well to the customer if they have configured the settings over here in the email attachment, as you can see over here email. Yes, here you can see. So yes, this way you can configure the different settings, how to add attachment in different way. So I hope this is video helpful to you. Thank you.